It's our last day in Florida before we head to Malibu. What was your favorite part about Florida, you guys? Skipper? Ooh, my favorite part was the roller coasters at Disney. Oh yeah, that was fun. Chelsea, what about you? My favorite part was the parade at Disney. And the princesses and Cinderella's castle. Yeah, her castle was so big. Well, mine was the pool and it was so relaxing. What about you, Stacy? Mine was Animal Kingdom. What about you, Ken? Mine was the pool and throwing Barbie in the water. Don't remind me. One last activity before we go, a boat ride. Are you having a good time, Ken?
It's always a good time with you, Barbie.
That's good to hear. Yay, the arcade! I'm so excited. I can't wait to play all the games, win prizes to take home. My favorite was the claw machines. I won the most on that. We're all dressed and ready to get out now. Bye, Florida. We will miss this beautiful place until next time. I think next time we should visit Miami, you guys.
Let me check out the view before we head out. One last time.
I'll miss Florida. I'll miss Disney. I'll miss the pool. I'll miss Animal Kingdom. I'll miss everywhere.